Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Ome TV loading error. So if you have facing this loading error screen or the buffering error, it's mostly because of this reason here, where like it's a permission issue with your extensions. For example, like here you don't have access, you don't provide access to the camera or microphone, so that's mostly is the reason. So what you can do that to fix this loading error, go to your browser, open up your browser settings. So go to your browser settings, so open up and then go to your settings here. Once you get to your browser settings here, so click on the privacy and security page here. So when you get to your privacy and security page here, scroll down and you will see site settings. Simply open up your site settings and then scroll down and choose the Ome TV option here. So select it and then make sure that you have allowed the camera and microphones and other sensors as required, so that this will let you use the camera, and then you can fix up the loading error screen. So it's basically a permission error with your extension. So hope this video helps, and I hope this video helps to fix this error, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.